Hi team, good afternoon. So today we are going to see the overview about GS1 barcode and UDI tracking. Okay, actually I have only 6 slides. It will be very short call only as we are going to see the overview. So basically GS1 is all about barcode standardization. Okay, the next thing is UDI. UDI is for tracking medical device, tracking and tracing the medical device. So these are two parts here. So the UDI we will use in the GS1 standard barcodes. That is a basic concept here. Okay. So first we will see about what is GS1. So GS1 is Global Standards 1. So this is a non-profit organization. They are one of the people who are developing and maintaining standards for especially barcodes. So GS1 barcode is globally recognized barcode standard that allows for the unique identification and tracking of the products, shipments, and locations across a supply chain by utilizing a standardized data format. So there are all of these days there are different kind of barcodes they are using. But see, the manufacturer will use a different barcode, and agent will, the stockkeeper will use the different barcode, and the endpoint seller will be using the different barcode. These are all making all of confusions. For that only, basically they got this standardization of the barcodes. Okay. So in the GS1 barcode, there are different types of barcodes available according to the application where we are going to apply them. So in this first one is UPC-AAN. So see, we are going to concentrate, finally we are going to concentrate on that GS1 128 barcode only. But for the introduction, I'm explaining about all the other barcodes. The UPC-AAN barcode is used in the retail product labeling. Okay, the EAN is used in Europe, UPC used in North America. UPC stands for Universal Product Code. EAN stands for European Article Number. So in the retail products, we are using this. This can be scanned in the point of sale system in the retail shopping like supermarket checkout points. This can be read. Okay. So this also having the G10. All the barcodes will be having the G10. G10 is a global trade item number. So using this only, they are tracking all other data like what is the product and the price and everything. So this UPC-AAN used for retail product labeling. And the next one is ITF 14. The ITF 14 is interleaved 2 of 5. That is ITF. I don't know why they kept this name. So this barcode is used in mainly in the logistics and distribution, like carton boxes, shippers, and in that they are using. But this ITF cannot be used in the retail product labels. And this GS1 data bar, GS1 data bar codes exist in the various variants. And other than this GTN number, this can allow encryption of additional data like weight, expiration data, and all. This data bar is used in weighted fresh products, like fish, vegetables, like that. They are using this one. Next one is GS1 data matrix. This GS1 data matrix used in engraved the product we can engrave, like GS1 data bar also having all the details. This not only used in labels, but also through direct marking by laser engraving, etching, dotting. So we can actually put this in the actual product itself. And finally, this QR code. QR code with use of our mobile itself, we can read this one and we can get all the details. And this is our area of focus, GS1 128. This barcode is majorly used in healthcare side. So what is GS1 barcode is the code 128 they are using, so that this is called the GS1 128. So the code 128 is having some standards, like this barcode should have a quiet zone in the front and start data check stop like that. With this one, they are having this barcode. This is called GS128 barcode. So this GS1 barcode is having a application identifier called this 01 and then 01, 11, 17, 10, 21. These are all called a application. This application identifier is nothing but if you take 01, the machine know this is a like GTN number. This 11 representing the manufacturing or production date. The 17 means expiration date. Like that, each A will have a meaning on that. This barcode will have two areas, two sections. One is AIDC, that is automatic identification of data capture. This is machine readable. The top one barcode is machine readable, and human readable, HRI. Human readable is whatever we are engraving, encoding here, this will be written down as human readable format also. This is GS1 barcode, GS1 128 barcode. So using this barcode, we are having this UDI identifier. Okay. So UDI is a unique device identification number, as all of us know. It allows a clear and unambiguous identification of specific devices on the market and facilitates their traceability. So if you find any device, if there is a UDI marked in that, you can easily trace out which company manufactured that and when it is manufactured, where it is manufactured, all the details we can trace back. So UDI provides access to useful information about the device. The specificity of the UDI makes traceability of the device more efficient and allows easier recall of devices and compacts counterfeiting. So you cannot duplicate a product. Thus improves patient safety also. The UDI is a globally unique number assigned to each device. So this UDI will have two sections. One is device identifier. Another one is product identifier. So device identifier will be always fixed element that identified a specific version or model of the product. So basically, this device identifier is assigned by the one of the companies, like here GS1 will assign, and the product identifier will be generated by us. So the product identifier is nothing but it's a variable element. This shows manufacturing date, expiration date, the lot number, the serial number, everything. So you can see this. This UDI plus this UDI is TI plus PI, device ID and production ID. And here you have this GS1 barcode. On the GS1 barcode only, they put all the details here. So here also you can see this is a device identifier, and all of these are product identifier. So this 01 is the GTN. GTN is the global trade item number to identify what is the product and everything. And this 11 is representing the manufacture or production date. 17 represents the expiration date. 10 represents the lot number. The 21 represents the serial number. So this both combines shows the UDI. So this everything will be captured in the GS1 128 linear barcode. So this is what is UDI. So all of this data are used for tracing the patient or tracking the device. That is the use. Okay. So this should be registered somewhere so that this will be come into effect so that you can go there and you can search for that one. So these three countries shown in this table, for example. So if you take US, the governing body who is administrating all the healthcare medical devices related things is FDA. In Europe, it is EC, and China, it is NMPA. So this there are two things, na? DA plus PA. DA is the device identifier that is fixed. Somebody has to allot, otherwise this will be taken by everyone. Na? So that allotment body, issuing body will be GS1. Basically in Europe also GS1 and US also GS1. Other than that, other companies also there. The bodies also there, HABCC, ICCBA. But normally, generally, we'll be using GS1 only in all the countries. And once you did everything, so this should be registered somewhere. Then only this will be valid and you can utilize that to trace the data. So where they are getting registered in US, it is GoodIt. So GoodIt is a global unique device identification database that is in US. And UDAMET, that's what we are going to work. The UDAMET, it's a European database and medical device. And in China, they are having this unique device identification. They have this UDI ID only. Okay, so here in US, they are having a separate server or database. EU, they are having a separate database, and China, they are having a separate database. But is there any common databases available? Yes. So they came together and they rolled out this GDSN. GDSN is Global Data Synchronization Network. In this, already a lot of countries, including EU and US, already joined hands. But China is having some concern, so they don't want to reveal all the details to all the countries. So they have not yet joined in this, but they are working towards that. So what to share with they want to share and all they are using. So for now, China is not there in the GDSN. All other countries are included in this. So this is the basic idea. I think you should understand. So there is two things. One is GS1. GS1 is the standard for barcoding. So how to put this barcode? There should be quiet zone, start data and check and all of these things, this thick and thin things. Two sections will be there. One is machine readable, another one is human readable. And then when you come into UDI, combining UDI, so there will be two sections. One is device ID that we have to register and get it. And another one is production ID. This we'll be taking from the production floor. So this everything is combined. We are having this UDI. And yeah, with this only we can trace a device. If some device is having adverse event, we can trace the device. If it is having very adverse event, we can trace back. We can call back all the devices from the market. If it is implanted in the person, we can trace back that person also, and we can take the preventive measure what we can do to correct it. So this is a use of UDI. With UDI, we have seen where it is getting registered and what is overview of UDAMED, GoodIt, and all. So is there any questions?
Yes, I had one question.
Yeah.
Sammy, so my
Yes.
question is regarding the device. Suppose we have
Mm.
manufactured 10 devices, like the same
Okay.
devices are
Okay.
manufactured, like 10 pieces are
Mm.
manufactured. So
Mhm.
out of these 10 pieces, how we are going to identify that there is a problem in device 1 or 7 or 8? So how we can separate those device like
So
individual
each
devices?
device, so if it is a different variant, you'll have a different that GTAN. We have to register the GTAN separately.
Okay, and what if they are same then?
Same means if it is the same device means same GTN will be there. That is fixed. That's
So,
that's what here we have seen. The device identifier will be fixed always.
so
Only
that
the
unique
product identifier will
number
be
will
variable.
be present in 10 different items, right?
Yes, same DI will be there in the 10 different items.
So suppose if there is any fault in device number 8, then how we can find out that where is 8?
No, no. If it is the same device model, that
Okay.
full batch number you can just go into that which production when you produce that what is the lot number and everything, and we can check the next lot number also. Like that we can zero down where the issue came up. If it is a full problem means we have to recall all the device model from the market.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Got it. So it's a simple concept only to understand. If you are interested, you can go into this and you can see, you can read a lot deeper into that. What is this application identifier? How it is getting assigned? What are the other things are there? What is the quiet zone and everything? And how they are going to verify verification validation of this particular barcode. It's a totally separate subject on this. So this for our project, this is an overview. Just you have to understand what is that, what is JSON barcode, and how the UDA is using that. Yeah,
Sami, one question.
yeah.
Uh, is 2D barcode and data matrix barcode is same or is that different?
2D barcode and data matrix visually that is different, but what is your embedding into that is everything will be same. You can just add this um, this GTN and PATA, everything you can embed. See here. Only thing is, if you are having both the barcodes, so where you are placing that one, that should be both should be accessible for the scanner, the point of sale scanner or whatever scanner you're using. So it should not be one barcode you're placing here and another barcode you're placing here. It should not be like that. Both are
Okay,
same. For your
got it.
the answer is both are same. Both are same means that data will be same. That's
Okay,
why we are
thank you.
using GS1 standards. Yeah.
So Sammy, just one more question. Like this is the curious question. Just I'm asking.
Mhm. Yeah.
So how the company is protecting the piracy? Suppose the same label has been copied by some other duplicate labels are there in the market. Then how you can
So
find
you can
the difference that this
track
is
down this production number, lot number, everything. With that, you can easily find out. You'll be having a database. If you scan, the computer will easily find out whether it is your product or not. Just with a scan, all the data will be there. Not only the GTN. With the GTN number, you can relate to other details also. So only 4 or 5 items we are placing here, na? Expiration date, lot number, serial number. This is as per FDA requirement. But actually, the data we having for UDAMET, we are going to find like 125 data, it seems, if I'm not wrong. So that much data will be going into that one. You can trace with this one GTN number.
Yes, I mean,
Yeah.
but still my point is not clear. I mean, if I copy the same label and apply it on my device, how the user can find out the difference?
Uh, I have to think and tell you. Yeah, I don't have an answer for that.
Okay.
I think Ravi, yeah, in that case is crime or it's a fraud. So it's difficult to figure out correct product. So that in that case it's a it's a fraud. Say
There must be some
So that is a no,
something
that is
will be
what I'm
there.
asking. No,
some
how the companies
Yeah.
protect their products.
no,
In
that's
No,
China
kind of
market,
privacy,
have
piracy,
different products in same category.
piracy, and it can be escalated to legal action if caught. But company can't catch that. Yeah.
And also might be some engraving number on that device. That also
yeah,
we
yeah.
can
See,
check.
Ravi, we are not actually working on that G10 and UDI. If we can ask the same question with this Karthik na, on site, Karthik K.
Hmm.
He is actually a validation engineer. He's working on that. He must be having an answer for that.
Okay, okay, fine. Fair enough.
Yeah.
And is there any like braille pattern on this like UDMIT sequence of the labels that it's going to print? Are they keeping the braille part since it's I guess it's required in European countries?
Braille will be a different topic. This is only about barcoding.
Okay, okay.
I don't think
The
so.
outer pattern
Braille.
or maybe the box they don't have the brailles,
This
right?
is for
Yeah.
the nurses and doctors. No,
Okay,
they'll be
okay,
using that one. If it is meant for this blind people, they will surely provide a braille thing also.
okay.
Sami, I have one question. Like
Mhm.
these barcodes are same for means for the inner and outer labels, or is there any variation for those label ones?
That's what we are having this 2D barcoding wherever you are having place. If it is require a barcode, we will place that one. It will be same. UDI
So it will be
barcode will be
same
same.
for the device. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
If it is a GS1 128 barcode means it will be same for everywhere.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if you have any more questions, please drop a mail or ping me. I'll try to answer that one.
Actually,
Thank
Sami,
you, team. Yeah.
your slides are very good, and this is like interactive part that everybody wants to know. Even from my end, I had just one curious question last because
Mhm.
this is what I just if you can answer that would be great for me.
Yeah.
So my question is regarding again with the barcodes and everything. So
Mhm.
I mean, how do you like? Suppose we have a sequence. Say we have that ID number and the sequence as you said. So
Yeah.
how we are going to verify whether the barcode which we have generated is exactly in a same manner? What exactly regulatories
No,
ask?
no, you're going to generate means the barcode generator will be having that same pattern only. You cannot modify that. If it is a GS1 128 means it's going to print that same pattern only.
Okay, okay. So we are just
So
only
when you're
giving code
verifying,
number.
it is going to verify only the ink, how much thickness is there, if it is legible or not, what is the dimension. That only is going to verify. It will not going to verify that barcode structure and all.
Okay.
Barcode structure. All the barcode printer generator will have this same thing only. And then you are having
So
this
while
human readable also. Na? 01 is a device identifier, 11 is production date like that.
Mhm. So the team who is working on this, they can only see the code numbers. They cannot verify whether the barcode is proper or not. How they
No,
can
no,
find?
we are verifying now for you. For
Okay,
example, in Depu, we are verifying all the barcodes. It is verified and validated by See, for Serenovas, they are verifying in-house.
Okay.
So everything is getting verified. And
So
there
do
will
we
be a
have a-
verification data sheet also. There will be a record also will be signed
Yes,
by
yes.
the production manufacturing people.
Okay. Okay, Sammy. Thanks, sir. That's all from me. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, team.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sami.
Thank you very much, Sami.
Yeah, thank you, Sami, for this information.
Thank you, Sami.
Thank you.
Bye all.
Sami,
Thank
Bye,
you.
team. Bye, team.